A man. A woman. A doctor. A farmer. A cook. Old. Young. This man is a doctor. He is a doctor. This woman is a doctor. She is a doctor. He is a cook. She is a teacher. He is a farmer. She is a doctor. She is a cook. He is a teacher. What is she? She's a farmer. What is he? He's a doctor. What is he? He's a cook. What is she? She's a teacher. Is this man a cook? Yes, he is. Is he old? No, he isn't. He's young. Is this woman a farmer? No, she isn't. She's a doctor. Is she young? Yes, she is. Is this man a teacher? Yes, he is. Is he young? No, he isn't. He's old.
What is that man? He's a doctor. Is he old? No, he isn't. He's young. What is this woman? She's a farmer. Is she young? No, she isn't. She's old. What is this woman? She's a cook. Is she young? Yes, she is.